Hello, my name is Carol. Welcome to Spirit Bank. How can I be of service today?
Hi, I'd like to open a new bank account.
Oh, great. I can help you with that. Would you like to open a personal or business account?
Personal.
Not a problem. I'll just need a few items to set everything up. Your passport or driver's license, your social security card, and a recent utility bill with your name on it.
Yes. Here's my driver's license, my passport, social security card, and a recent electricity bill with my name and current address on it.
Very well prepared. Thank you very much. Yes, perfect. While I punch all this into the computer, would you mind filling out this bank account application form?
Sure. All finished. Here you go.
Thank you very much. Mr. Smith, let me just check you've filled out everything. Now let's set up your bank account password. You can use the keypad right here to punch it in. It needs to be 6 digits, and it must include a number and a capital letter. Try to make it something you'll remember easily, but don't make it too easy.
So, I shouldn't use password as my password?
No, probably not.
Okay, there we go.
We also need to add a security question. There's a few here to choose from, like your first pet's name or your mother's maiden name. You can pick whichever one you like.
Okay, done.
Very good. I'll just need to get this approved by my manager. If you'll just wait a moment, she's right over here. Okay, Mr. Smith, thank you for waiting. Your new personal savings account has been set up, and here are your bank account number and details. Your bank card will be sent to your home address within the next 5 to 7 business days, but you'll probably get it in the next day or two. They usually arrive pretty fast. Then you'll be able to withdraw money. Would you like to deposit any money right now?
Yes, I would. I'd like to deposit $500.
Great. I'll just update your balance. I've just deposited your money into your bank account, giving you your first balance of $500. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Do you have any other questions?
Yes, just one more question. Is there a fee for withdrawals?
There are no withdrawal fees if you withdraw from any Spirit Bank ATM. However, there is a $1 fee if you withdraw from any other bank's ATM.
Okay, thanks.
Is there anything else I can help you with, Mr. Smith?
No, you've been very helpful, Carol.
Thank you, Mr. Smith, and have a nice day. Hello, I'm Carol. Welcome to Spirit Bank. What can I assist you with today?
Yes, I'd like to make a sizable withdrawal from my account.
Okay, I can easily help you with that. If you'll just slide your card there, we can get started. Do you have any ID with you?
Yes, I do. Here's my driver's license.
Thank you very much. Okay, Mr. Bill, I have your account here. And how much would you like to withdraw today?
I need to withdraw $8,000. We've had a bit of a family emergency.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. I hope everything is okay.
Yeah, we've seen better, but we'll get it all sorted out.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Bill, but unfortunately, your maximum withdrawal limit each day is $5,000.
Oh, okay. I see. Well, I guess I'll withdraw $5,000 now and withdraw the rest tomorrow. Is that okay?
Absolutely.
Okay, good. That's a relief. Thank you.
In what denomination would you like this?
$100 bills would be best.
Okay, one moment. I'll have to have a manager assist me with this. Can you wait just a moment?
Yeah, sure.
This is my manager, Kevin. It's just policy for him to oversee large cash withdrawals.
No problem. Hey, Kevin.
Hello, Mr. Bill.
The money counter has verified it as $5,000. I'm also going to count this out for you. 100, 200, 300, 400, and finally, 5,000.
Excellent.
Here is your bank card and driver's license. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that'll be all for today.
I hope everything works out with your family.
I'm sure it will be now because of this withdrawal. Thanks for your help, Carol.
You're welcome. Glad to be of service.
Hi, I'm Greg, the bank manager here at Spirit Bank. How can I help?
Hi, I'd like to apply for a home loan, and I was wondering which documents I would need to prepare.
Will this be your first home purchase?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Buying a home is a huge step. I'll help you through the process the best I can.
Thank you, Greg.
Well, first, will you be owning this house to live or be renting it out as an investment property?
I'll be owning and living in it.
Great. Let me just get the proper documentation for that. Here we go. You'll need to fill out 6 documents. On form number 1, you'll need to show your total salary and the amount you paid in taxes for the last 2 years.
Got it.
On form number 2, right here, you'll need to attach your 2 most recent pay stubs. You are employed, correct?
Yes, full-time. I have my stubs with me.
Excellent. I'll make copies of these once we've gotten through everything. Next, your current bank account details, including any investments you own for the last 6 months.
I have a bank account here at Spirit Bank, so you'd probably have all that information, right?
Yes, we will. Now, on this 4th form, any debts you currently have outstanding, such as student loans, car payments, anything like that.
I don't have any outstanding debts.
Oh, wonderful. That'll be very helpful. And form number 5 here will need a copy of your credit report and rating.
I thought you might need that, so I have my most recent credit report right here with me. I made copies for you as well.
Fantastic. Thank you for coming in so prepared. Lastly, we'll need a copy of a signed purchase and sales agreement for the house you want to acquire. That'll be the sales agreement that shows the agreed final price between the seller and the buyer.
Does that look like everything?
It sure does. You've come in extremely well prepared. Let's step into my office so we can discuss the different available loan types that we can offer you based on all your information.
Sure thing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye.